Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right. Okay, so today I did a video in the key of C. I did a lick, and people asked that I do it in some other keys. So today I'm doing it in the key of F. So let me show you the key of C just one more time. So my son. Okay, so yeah, so I want to teach you that today in the key of F. So the key of F has this note, right? That's it. Okay, so let's look at that. So it happens on 251 after it's 736. So let's do house of the 7 panted 3 4. Then we'll do it on 2. The water, so my soul. Okay, so let me quickly show you that. So this is the run. So we have our 7. The progression of the song goes 1 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. So the runs is happening on 2 5 1 4. So when you're on 2, that's great. So you do this. Watch the notes. So I don't want to waste time here, so I'll just show you the notes very slowly. So if you play, this is for people who play the key of F, right? Minor 2 to 2, 4, 6, 1, then to 7, to flatten 7, then to 6, to 7, flatten 7 rather, to your 9, 11. Then you can do something like this. Then right, then to your 4. Okay, so but we need to add, because if you are following like that, it's already sounding like it's in a new key. So let me play the left hand with it again. 7 3 pounded 4 6. Then the water, so my soul. So to 4. So 3. Now something happens on this channel most times. Click the subscribe button if you've not done that. People see some of these chords, like the chord I played, and they're like, oh, sure is that. And I'm like, man, I know some of you recently joined the channel. You don't even know we have over 600 piano tutorials. So most of this chord you're asking me to show you are stuff I've done. So what you can do is just give me the timestamp. So most times, because I know you'll not be able to, I have a lot of videos here, you'll not be able to really check. Right, so just give me a timestamp, like, okay, you did a chord at 2:00:02. What's it called? Is it colon now? Then 15 seconds at 2 minutes 15 seconds. So just type that. So I'll just give you like, okay. So once I watch that, so I'll be able to check which video goes with your request and give you, so you'll be able to get it. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to join the channel membership to support this channel. And donations are welcome. You can send me a mail to donate. God bless you. Thank you.